So here, once you double click on AutoCAD icon, you'll find this screen in front of you. So basically here it is AutoCAD 2007 is installed here. So you can see this classic, and so you can select any one of this. So this is our first lecture. पहिलं lecture आहे. तर पहिलं lecture. So if I say, so this is the first screen of your AutoCAD. Now there is one cursor which is going to move. So that is called as a crosshair cursor. Crosshair cursor हे तुम्हाला इकडे तिकडे पाहायला दिसेल. Now by using crosshair cursor, we are going to understand different parts of the screen. So if I start from the top, you will find that there is AutoCAD title, AutoCAD 2007 in the bracket drawing1.dwg. So drawing1.dwg is the by default name given by the AutoCAD. AutoCAD काय करतं पहिल्यांदा जे काही तुमचं ड्रॉइंगचं बाय डिफॉल्ट नाव आहे ते तुम्हाला इथे शो करतं. So drawing1 is the name and dwg is the by default extension. So सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा जे आपलं ड्रॉइंग तयार होणार आहे त्याचं नाव AutoCAD ने drawing1.dwg असं ऑलरेडी देऊन ठेवलेलं आहे. You can change that, and how to change that we'll see. Below that you will find drop down menus. इथे तुम्हाला दिसतं file, edit, view, insert, format, tools, draw, dimensions, modify, window and help. These are the drop down menus. So these drop down menus and sub menus that are available for our drawings. Below that you can find here you can have our draw menu, or here we are having modify menu. So you can directly float this particular different toolbars. So these are the toolbars. So you can find here one toolbar. This is layer toolbar. This is draw toolbar. This is modify toolbar. So how many toolbars are there? So how we can find that? Because I check answer. So if you just go here, our cursor is at the top, and if I click here, you will find that these are the toolbars which are available. Now these toolbars are whatever menus available on this toolbars are also available on drop down. Drop down menu मध्ये ते available आहेतच. ठीक आहे. So you can make something on or off. Now we know that here this is our draw menu. Okay, so you can find this draw menu here also. इथे सुद्धा आहे. If I click here, already it is open, so there is a mark as a open. So if I click here, obviously it is going to close down. Again you can open this by clicking. So these are the different types of drop downs. We can move this, we can drag this, and we can put those menus for in a suitable place. ठीक आहे, हे सगळं आपण ठेवू शकतो. त्याच्यानंतर हा जो आहे, this is called as work area. ठीक आहे. So this is our work area. At the left corner here you will find a coordinate system. So x and y coordinate is there. So this is the 0. So here we can say that we can start positive right direction x and upward y direction as a positive y. So this is called as a world coordinate system or user coordinate system. So we'll see this in detail when we go for UCS, user coordinate system and world coordinate system. Second thing is below that there is a model, layout 1 and layout 2. So whenever we need to print, we need to plot, be specific plot. Plotter is the device which will plot our drawing. So here we are having layouts of paper. If you click on this layout, you'll find that this is the layout. Now there is nothing on this. लेआउट मीन्स एक कागद आलेला आहे. जर समजा आपल्याला वाटलं की आपलं लेआउट हे इथे काहीतरी स्टँडर्ड असलं पाहिजे, त्याला एक नेम प्लेट असली पाहिजे, दॅट ऑल्सो वी कॅन क्रिएट. सो देर इज अ लेआउट 1, लेआउट 2. We can create here our own GPND as a layout. So that whatever plot that is going to create, that is as per our layout. Now तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की तुम्ही तुमच्या कॉलेजमध्ये मागच्या वर्षी एक आपलं स्टँडर्ड ड्रॉइंग काढलेलं आहे आपल्या ड्रॉइंग शीटवर. त्या ड्रॉइंग शीटवर आपल्या कॉलेजचं नाव वगैरे सगळं येतं. तर such type of layout also we are going to create here. Below that, याच्यानंतर आहे, you will find here command. So whatever command I am going to type, that is going to execute here. जेव्हा AutoCAD हे DOS वर्जन मध्ये होतं, तर there is no graphics interface, माउस वगैरे नव्हता. At that time I have to type command and I have to execute that. From here also same command prompt is there. You can execute command. If I want line, just you type L and enter key, the line command is going to start. So such type of direct command prompt we can give. त्याच्या खाली जे आहे, त्याच्या खाली तुम्हाला इथे below that you will find a coordinate system. जसं आपण माउस पॉइंटर मूव करू तसे इथे coordinates मूव होत आहेत. You can see here the coordinate system. And there are some menus like additional menus like snap, grid, ortho, polar, OS snap, OS tracking, and ducks and dynamic, lightweight, model. So all these are the different menus. Okay, so all these menus that we are going to see in detail. So this is all about introduction of this whatever screen in front of us. Okay, so this is very broad introduction. Now first, whenever we start any of our ड्रॉइंग स्टार्ट जेव्हा करतो आपण, त्यावेळेस आपल्याला ते ड्रॉइंग किती डायमेन्शननी केलं पाहिजे हे इथं आपल्याला पाहायला पाहिजे. सो फॉर दॅट द फर्स्ट थिंग इज I must go for the page setup or the so here we can set up our drawing limits. So you can have such type of setup. Already in theory class I had given what are the different dimensions of A0, A1, A4. Just I will select here and I'll say this is our paper. Okay, so this completes the paper selection. Second is about the units, how to select a unit. So under the format we are having units, so we can select our unit. Already we have done this, so that's why आपण आता पाहिलंच आहे. फक्त त्याचं एक तुम्हाला कुठे तरी व्हिडिओ मध्ये पाहिजे म्हणून मी इथे दाखवत आहे. So this is unit command and there is a limit command also. So drawing limits. So here you can see the left corner 0 0 and right corner. So you can go for any limit. So we can have such type of limits. Okay, so this is units command and limit command. So today we have seen 3 commands. First is page setup manager. In that page setup manager you can create a new page setup if you want, and you can have your own so this is by default page plotter, and you can select any of this particular page. So this is our drawing sheet, 420 by 594. So I have selected that. So now 494, 594 by 420. 594 by 420 is our limits. 595 by 420. So I can go here. 595 by 420 is our limits. So such type of limits, such type of page limit that we can select. So this completes our simple three commands: how to select page, how to select units. So unit we can select from here and here. You'll find that there is a different types of unit. There are different types of angle. I have selected decimal with 0.0 limit, and angle is with 0 precision, and unit is millimeter. Okay, so we'll go in detail about other command also. Only already there is no recording available, that's why I have recorded one more times. So this completes our first